Now creating a org chart or creating a org structure with these agents seems to be quite easy. That's getting created on its own. So this is how it looks like, right? So on top, if you look at the URL, it says agents all. So these are all the agents that you ended up creating. And if you want to create a new one, it is as simple as this. Just go here, say, okay, yeah, configure a runtime manually. That's what you want to do. You want to choose which one. I could end up choosing Claude or Codex in case I really want to do something serious with this entire setup, which I don't. I don't really want to spend any money on this. This is uh, okay. Being very straightforward, I actually wouldn't use this setup if I had to professionally end up getting things done very fast. I would just use Claude Code, and if I really wanted uh, something even much faster and something even much better, probably OpenClaw with a couple of Claude or Codex agents in the background. That is what I would do. But because, yeah, of course, this is this is introduction to paperclip, and I'm trying to understand how this thing works. So this is what I'm doing. So for now, the Hermes agent is what I'm preferring, kind of, and Pi Mono is what again I want to do. I definitely want to do Pi Mono. So these two I prefer, and that's what I've kind of created already, right? I've gone ahead and created these. Uh, this one being on Hermes, the tech lead being on Hermes, and I'm sorry, it says CEO there. I'll change that, and the other one also being on Pi. So let's create another one. Let's see on Hermes how does it go, and so we just say okay, dev agent 2 and journal reports to the tech lead, and trust standard Hermes agent local Hermes default. It shows you can go and choose DeepSeek V4 Pro or whatever it is that you've gone ahead and already configured with your Hermes, right? So uh, like I said, my Hermes is running here and it's got DeepSeek as of now. I haven't configured anything else over here. You could end up doing that. And one second, yeah. Okay. So this one's done. Then you want there is one. Where did that go? There's somewhere I got. Okay, maybe that's later. But you'll end up getting a uh, one of these content things to go ahead and fill up, wherein you can give it a specific .markdown file, right? So okay, agent got created, and in configuration, that's where you can go ahead and give a specific markdown file. Uh, so where exactly is that? Standard permissions, create API key. Is it not asking for the Hermes one? It definitely did ask for the other one. Okay, let's see. For the other one, that is this one, if I went to configuration, mm, by, no, I can't seem to see that, which is strange. It did ask me for a markdown file, which I did give it as the somewhere over here, right above this. There was, uh, I don't know. Anyway, so we'll come back to that. So this is how it's basically getting configured. So you could end up looking at a individual agents structure over here, and you can end up looking at all the agents here. So this is what we've created for now, and then you go ahead and look at it as a org structure. So in case you want to look at a org structure, this is what it is, and obviously in the traditional way, let's say these were lang chain agents within say LangGraph. So you probably would be very interested in understanding as to how the state graph works and what is it that you want to do here. And in case somebody is not aware, what a lang chain, lang graph is all about. So let me. None of this presents it properly. One second. Let's hope somebody has published it publicly, because I have not I won't be able to show it to you. We do that at work. So over there yeah, something similar maybe. Yeah. Again, I don't know. Somebody's published it. Who this guy is, what this is, I have absolutely no clue. Just trying to look for that image. Yeah, so he's given that Langsmith image, and we literally live by this at work. So, so it seems very funny. Um yeah, but their implementation is quite different from what, yeah, something of the sort. Yeah, what he's showing. And what he's shown is very, very basic. We go many advanced levels over here. So anyway, that's a discussion for some other time. So yeah, you have a very basic org chart, and this is what it is. It unfortunately says CEO, got nothing to do with the CEO, but these agents are done, and that is how. And so we can start execution, and let's see how the tasks flow.